One of the trends we see in the industry, just like everyone else, is that virtualization has broken down the barriers of the data center. And what you're seeing now is that what used to be a storage administrator role or a service administrator role is now a compute architect or an information architect. I think EMC has helped push the industry boundaries around the adoption of cloud computing technologies and helped it move from some of the marketing terms to some actual real-life concrete examples. What we're seeing is that as people transform their IT architectures from the old methodology to these fully virtualized or even sometimes cloud-based architectures, they have to change the way they operate, they have to transform their skill sets. We're able to help transform customer environments to be more cloud ready, whether that's infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, or even IT as a service. But by helping advocate both new industry conversations as well as innovate on the product side, we're able to cobble together new and interesting solutions that help our customers transform, most importantly.
You know, our customers' challenge is really being a large healthcare organization in the Midwest was really just information overload. Over the past several years, with the modernization of IT, they had accumulated 17 different storage arrays from multiple different manufacturers. But when healthcare organizations go down these days with patient records and medical records, people's lives are at stake. So really, uptime is a key asset.
A head was brought in to go ahead and help them remediate their storage environment and transform their culture and transform their skill set to move to an IT as a service methodology around storage, or as we started to term it, storage as a service for the business. We helped them start to frame out an application service catalog that would go ahead and transform the way they had the conversation with the application owners. At the end of the project, we had consolidated them down to 6 storage arrays across 2 sites, representing a total of 3 platforms. We had EMC vPlex in front of EMC Symmetrix vMax and EMC VNX. And as well, we had EMC Centera for medical archive images.
You know, one of the interesting things about this transformational exercise has really been the fact that this customer went from 17 different storage arrays, managing them via 27 different interfaces, down to just a handful with the EMC solution that we architected for them.
What they were really able to do at the end of this project was transform the way they were able to deliver storage as a service, and by doing so significantly increase the efficiency of their staff and help them transform into a much more proactive staff that was now managing service levels rather than fighting fires. We combined that with a full financial analysis of their current spend on the maintenance and administration of their existing platforms. We were able to save them over $4 million over 4 years. Their eventual goal is to move to an IT as a service provider or an internal private cloud provider. They're just taking a measured approach, attacking one layer of the infrastructure at a time.